Okay, I've just pulled out this sheet of iron here, and you can see that's the sheet over there. You can see underneath that iron, even though I pulled out the best looking one, it's full of rust underneath, and that's why this really needs a restoration at very least, because it's got holes rusted right through it in places, and it probably should have all the sheets replaced for the job to be done properly, but it's always about how much money you have at the time, hey? But this sheet here that I pulled out, you can see actually the iron on top, from the top, it looks okay, but as soon as you lift it, it's all rusted through underneath, and that'll keep rusting and rusting and rusting until it's a big problem and you need to replace all the sheets. And this is the inside. So there's the manhole right there. So that'll make it easy to find for the insulation, and so we'll put some bats around that